Hey, to turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus, first of all you have to open this notification panel, and from here you have to scroll until you locate this Do Not Disturb mode. So it appears right here. When you click and hold with your finger on it, you will be moved into the settings. So here you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switcher. But before, you can also customize it. So first you can pick for how long. So for example, until you turn it off manually, for 1 hour, or for example 5 hours, or ask every time. Next you can also set the schedule. So when you click right here, you can pick days, you can set start and the end time, and also we can set the name of the schedule. If you want to add additional schedule, you can also do this by tapping right here. Click save, and here you can switch between the schedules by tapping on the switchers. Here you can also check for the notifications like calls and the messages. The same for the app notifications and alarms and sounds. You can also hide all notifications. And to turn it off, just click on the switcher. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.